Are you looking to tone your upper body with just 10 push-ups a day? Imagine a fitness routine that's simple, efficient, and effective. A routine that doesn't require fancy equipment or a gym membership. That's the power of push-ups. They're a staple in any fitness regimen for a good reason. They target multiple muscle groups and contribute significantly to upper body strength. So let's dive into the world of push-ups and explore some variations that can amp up your workout. Stay tuned to discover how 10 simple push-ups can revolutionize your fitness routine. Let's kick things off with the classic standard push-up. This timeless exercise starts with your hands placed shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line from head to toe. Bend your elbows to lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Keep your core tight and your hips lifted throughout the movement. Then push yourself back up to the starting position. Remember, correct form is key to maximizing your gains and avoiding injuries. That's the standard push-up for you, a staple in any upper body workout. Next on our list is the wide push-up. This variation spreads your hands wider than shoulder-width apart. As you lower yourself, keep your elbows flared out to the sides. This targets your chest muscles more, and less so your triceps. Rise back up, maintaining that wide stance. Repeat this motion and you'll feel the burn in your chest and shoulders. Remember, form is key. Keep your body straight and controlled. And there you have it, the wide push-up, your weapon of choice for broader shoulders. Now, let's spice things up a bit with the diamond push-up. This variation demands a unique hand placement. You'll want to form a diamond shape with your hands right beneath your chest. Lower yourself down, letting your chest touch your hands before pushing back up. This form of push-up is a real game changer. It focuses on strengthening your triceps and chest more than the standard push-up. So, if you're looking to sculpt those areas, diamond push-ups are your best bet. Diamond push-ups, a gem of an exercise for your triceps and chest. Moving on, we have the pike push-up. This is a real game changer for those shoulders and upper back muscles you've been wanting to tone. In essence, the pike push-up is an inverted vertical push-up that puts your body into a kind of upside-down V shape. It's a challenging move, but oh so rewarding. By engaging your deltoids, trapezius, and other upper back muscles, this push-up variant provides a fantastic upper body workout. Pike push-ups, your go-to move for stronger shoulders and a toned upper back. Last but not least, the Spider-Man push-up. This is a challenging exercise, but it's well worth it. Start in a high plank position. As you lower your body towards the floor, lift one foot off the ground and bring your knee to your elbow. Return to the high plank and repeat on the other side. This push-up really targets your core and obliques, providing an intense workout. Remember to keep your back flat and your movements controlled. Well, there you have it, the Spider-Man push-up. A challenging but rewarding addition to your workout. So there you have it, 5 push-up variations to tone your upper body. We started with the classic standard push-up, a great foundation exercise that targets your chest, arms, and shoulders. Then we moved on to wide push-ups, which put a little more emphasis on your chest and less on your triceps. Diamond push-ups were up next, focusing on your triceps and inner chest. The pike push-ups, a little more challenging, gave your shoulders a real workout. And finally, the Spider-Man push-ups, the most advanced of the bunch, worked not just your upper body, but also your core and hip flexors. Each of these push-up variations can play a vital role in your fitness journey, toning your upper body and giving you the strength you need. And the best part? No gym membership required, just your own body weight and a little bit of floor space. Remember, consistency is key in fitness. Stick with these 10 push-ups a day, and you'll see a noticeable difference in your upper body tone. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy.